Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to do a quick video about the all-new Reebok Club C. This is the Club C Mid 2 in collaboration with Mountain Research. Like you can see right here, that's their logo. Now, in comparison to regular Club Cs, you see that this specific area is a little more elevated than you would on any normal Club C. It's a blue and white pair. You can see the regular tooling on the pair. The only visible difference apart from this increased height is this lace cover. It comes in two versions. One is this that comes pre-attached, perforated like on a Club C tongue. This can be detached using the Velcro right there, and you can put your laces through these loops and on top right here. So this is what the pair comes pre-laced in, apart from which you get also this extra lace cover that says holidays in the mountains. Now, I personally prefer it without those lace covers. I think this pair looks really sick with that sail kind of a lace going on. The only thing I worry about is this Velcro bit right here. It might gather dirt, but hey, I prefer it this way. It looks so clean and so much nicer. There are a few additional differences in comparison to a regular Club C. Now, the leather, of course, is all soft and nice, like you can see right there, like you'd come to expect from a Club C. You have the Mountain Research logo done on the tongue, and the back of the tongue has that kind of a chenille finish like you'd see on a towel. Now what's interesting is on the inside you have the polka dotted insole with the Reebok branding done there, and the bottom half or the regular height of a Club C, you have that same chenille towel kind of a finish, whereas the upper has more of a neoprene or a satin kind of a finish. And that's very interesting. And that padding right there, the front layer has been done with Reebok. Apart from this, there's nothing different that I can tell you about the pair. It's all the same regular tooling. You see the Reebok logo printed there, this cutout window, and on the inner side, that's what it looks like. These are going to be a regular beater for me, so I'm going to slip these on feet to show you what they look like. Thank you for staying all the way to the end. If you're new to the channel, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.